I'm Lisa, and I've been a certified beauty artist since 2018. The MP200 StudioNails Pro is a versatile professional manicure device designed for home use. It combines precise manicure and pedicure, UV nail drying, and efficient nail dust extraction all in one compact device. In this video, I'll show you a few simple tips on how to achieve perfect salon-quality nails at home. Nail care should always start with removing old polish and gel from the nails. The carbide bit with a rainbow finish is perfect for this purpose, and it is specifically designed for gel nails. Remove the gel with the nail cutter directly above the extractor. This way, the nail dust will be sucked up immediately. The suction can be adjusted to 2 different levels based on personal preference, making the entire process much easier. Next, carefully remove the cuticles with the cuticle remover attachment. The bit should be kept as flat as possible against the nail bed to avoid causing any damage to the delicate cuticle. Remove the remaining nail dust with the brush. After filing the nails, it's time to apply gel. Before the gel can be applied, it's important to buff the nail surface first to mattify them so the gel adheres effectively. Now carefully apply the gel according to the manufacturer's detailed instructions, making sure each step is followed precisely and with care, and then cure it thoroughly under the high-performance UV lamp. This device really does have everything you need for nail care in your own home. When you are done, the device is super easy to clean. Simply remove the filter and give it a light tap. Then wipe the device down with a cloth. When you have finished, simply put all the utensils back into the convenient storage drawer. The MP200 can truly hold its own against professional devices, making quality nail care at home incredibly easy. For anyone who loves to have beautiful nails, this manicure device is my absolute top recommendation to try.